a digital exhibition hall. A trade fair offers, among other things, a complete overview of the industry. Our digital event platform does too. As an exhibitor, you are represented with your digital exhibition stand in the Exhibitor Products area of the main navigation. In the show floor depicted there, exhibitors and partners introduce themselves using tile banners. These act as access to the various exhibitor stands, the showrooms. Interested trade fair participants and exhibitors can, for example, make an appointment here quickly and easily. The showroom is interactive and individually arranged, so that in addition to the brand-appropriate presentation of innovations and products, direct exchange with the exhibitor is also an option. The audio-video room provides an opportunity to communicate immediately with the contact and arrange appointments. There is also additional accompanying information within the showroom, such as videos, images, product brochures, and other PDFs to download. Links to interesting business-related sessions can also be found here. Optimize your trade fair presence by adding further services at a later date to increase your visibility and make your content in the showroom even more attractive. For example, by integrating a live stream in your showroom. Present your latest products in real time, live from your booth or from another location. So-called conference rooms are exclusive rooms with different presentation and interaction possibilities where exhibitors and visitors meet at exclusive company events or for meetings, be it in the context of an influencer or press event, a product demo, a workshop, or in a customer meeting. Access is exclusively visible in the showroom and only possible after approval or by invitation by the exhibitor.